Hi there, welcome to Learn with Hassan, and today I'm here to show you how you can preview a search result in Google Chrome. Yes, sometimes you search for something and you get a whole lot of results, a whole bunch of results, and you might not know the actual one that you want, and you tend to open all the search results one after the other, which takes time. And this is a simple way you can use that. So you go to your browser, your Google Chrome browser, all the search results you are looking for comes up like this, and you would like to preview them to know the right one you want. So you go to one of or any of the search results, and on the link you tap and hold, and you have this pop-up here, and you go for the fourth one, which is a preview page, and you tap on that, and after tapping on that you get a pop-up on your screen like this, and you can read all the you can read from the pop-up you get, and it's very simple. After you are done reading the pop-up, reading on the pop-up like this or the preview like this, you can close it by using this close button here, and you close it and you go for the other one. When you close it, you can go for the other ones too, and see if that's what you want. That one, the same procedure, and you tap on preview and you can preview that one too. So this is a way of previewing a website on Google Chrome. Yes, a website on Google Chrome. So this is very, very simple, and it's useful when you are searching for something and you are not sure of the results you are getting. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that when we upload a video, you'll be the first person to know, and as well you can share the video for others too to benefit from. Leave whatever comments you have at the comment section below. I will do justice to it. Thank you for watching once again. Until we meet again, bye bye.